Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's roughly 9:30 here in the evening in the UK, and I was kind of hoping for a bit of still and settled wind. I've actually treated myself to a wind flag. As you can see, it's pretty much holding 12 to 1 o'clock. It will switch around. You won't be able to see this flag in the shots, but I can assure you I will be watching it. We've got the KYL again out at 202 metres. There's a couple of steel plates up there, 10 sighters stroke fowlers, maybe 15. See how we go. Just hope that that wind stays kind to me and goes back to 1 o'clock. There we go. You can see it is switching when I say. So what we've got today is RWS special match. Now, I done it yesterday. The wind dropped right off the last part of the day. As you can see, it's doing again here now. It's on and off a little bit. And I did it in 22 rounds, which would be a joint first. But it wasn't on camera, so it doesn't count. So today we're back at it. We're going to see if I can repeat it. Looking at that wind, yeah, I don't think I will, but we'll go find the plates for you, which will be all the way over here. So let's see if that's good enough. Now the light is fading, so I'm going to start on that plate with the green straps and see what we can do, then move on to the KYL. They're about half a metre behind the KYL, but that shouldn't make any difference. My dope was 7.7 mils of elevation from 50 yard zero. So I'm going to get to this before the light goes. Hopefully it's looking bright enough on the camera. Hopefully I can still see it through the scope. Oh, good boy. And some ears. Blake, come here. Here. Now lie down. Right then, guys, wish me luck. What have I got? I've got do want a bit of right on it. Right, first one, plate on the right, green straps. Let's see, it's cold and clean. Impact just off the ball. A couple more to the right. Blue, come here. Here we go again. Plate on the right, on the left, sorry. Oh, totally missed. What's that wind doing? Head on again. Oh, switching. Wow, that was low. .7, exactly where I was to last night. I think it might take a few more to settle in. It's coming up. That's 5 more out of this one. Don't forget, this is cold and clean. The wind has now switched to what looks like 3 o'clock. I'm going to hold right hand side of the plate. Where did that go? 4 o'clock underneath the ball. Back to head on. Looks like I'm trending low. Yeah, that was low at 6 o'clock. Yeah, right down the bottom I am. So I need to come up 0.3. That takes me up to 8.3 today. Wind is head on. 1 o'clock top of the ball. Wind is still head on. Bullseye, 6 o'clock. Wind is still, switching a little bit. Just going to aim, no, back to the head on. Maybe trending high. Come down to 8.2. Yeah. Here we go. 30 rounds. Happy with my dope, which is now 8.1 for today's conditions and 0.4 to the right. I have dialed in today. Right. Starting on the KYL. 2-inch one on the left to start with. Waiting on the wind. Wind is still good. Went to the right, I believe. Problem is with the failing light, I can't see my splashes. Didn't see. Right, let's calm down a bit. See. Nicked it. Sit. That's 10 away. What am I on the third one? Where did that hit? Not sure. Right, fourth one in. Now I believe that hit the one next to it. I think I'm going. Well, this isn't going well.
I saw that. Wrong one. Still on the fourth one in. Oh, that wind's completely changed. Hit the bloody wrong one twice now. Right. If that wind stays the same, I'm in with a chance. I'm having to hold an extra 0.2. Yep. Yep. No. Oh, there we go. Go on then. So what do we do it in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24 rounds to get across that. Puts it in joint second place with SK Long Range, and this time on video. So there we go. This is what we were using. So let's see if we can get that. Special match. Pretty decent stuff. Now, once I got my hold for the wind, because as you can see on the, hang on, we'll come back a bit. Let's see if we can get back to that flag. So that looks like where we started, but it has been switching around. There we go, look, turning back, and that little subtle difference at 202 meters was making enough that I had to hold an extra 0.2, but the elevation was staying pretty good. So there we are, joint second, RWS special match. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Give us a like, feel free to join the challenge. I'd love to see some more of you guys have a go at this, so I'm not the only crazy one. Righto guys, cheers and gone.